During closing arguments, will the defense attorney tell the jury how much he thinks you should or shouldn't get? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. So now, at the end of the trial, whether it's an accident trial or a medical malpractice trial or even a wrongful death trial, I will usually tell the jury what I think they should be giving to my client as compensation. The question is, will the defense attorney do the same thing? Will the defense attorney turn around and say, ladies and gentlemen, don't give Mr. Oginski's client this amount of money. Instead, I think he should only get this amount of money. Well, I will tell you there are some instances where a defense attorney will use that strategy. It can be a very effective strategy because what they're doing is they're setting a boundary by which the jury now has to make a decision. Because now I'm telling them what I think the case is valued at. The defense attorney will typically turn around and say, listen, this injured victim does not deserve a verdict in their favor. But if you do decide that now we are responsible, here's why I think you should only award this amount of money, as opposed to what Mr. Oginski is asking for, which is this. So now it puts into the jurors' minds the fact that they believe that the case, according to the defense, is worth only this much. So now they have some type of framework to look at and see whether or not the case is worth this much, somewhere in between, or beyond what it is that we are asking for, or what the defense is saying that the case should be resolved for. And that's really interesting. Why? Because it's a strategy that the defense can use to turn around and implant in the jurors' minds, hey, listen, don't award them this amount of money. Instead, just award them this amount because that's what we feel is appropriate if you find that we're actually responsible. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because if either you're a litigant or an observer during the course of a trial, and now you're listening to closing arguments, there's a very good chance you're going to hear this particular type of argument come up. And now when it comes up, you'll understand exactly why the defense is doing it. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a case for an accident matter or a medical malpractice matter or even wrongful death matter, and you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I love to do, and I'd be happy to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.